Forget everything you think you know about the Maldives. You can erase the pictures of celebrities on private islands and those overwater bungalows with five-figure nightly price tags. That's only half the story, the half designed to feel impossibly out of reach. The other half has the exact same shimmering turquoise water, the same powder-soft white sand, and the same feeling of being a million miles from everything. But for a price you can actually wrap your head around. If you're looking for luxury travel that won't break the bank, you've come to the right place. Today we are diving into the 10 best all-inclusive resorts in Maldives under budget, especially for couples who are looking for a peaceful, relaxed vacation. This Maldives travel guide will show you that true all-inclusive luxury for couple travel on a realistic budget is not a dream. You found it. This is the definitive list of the best resorts in the Maldives for an affordable escape. Section 1. The true budget-friendly gems, under $400. Let's start your Maldives travel journey with the resorts that deliver the core dream without making your wallet weep. These places prove paradise can have a practical side, perfect for travel on a budget. And here's one of our key travel tips. The prices mentioned are a guide. Always factor in the Maldivian taxes and service charges, which can add about 20 to 25% to your final bill. First up, a resort known as the Island of Hospitality. Bandos Maldives. It's just a short speedboat ride from the main airport, which immediately saves you big money on seaplane transfers. For a price often between $200 and $350 a night, you get a classic Maldivian beach resort experience. The island is lush, the beaches are pearl white, and the house reef is incredible. The all-inclusive package here includes buffet-style breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the gallery restaurant, plus select alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks at the sandbar. Its sheer value makes it an ideal starting point for a budget-savvy escape. Next, a game-changer for affordable all-inclusive travel. Innahura Maldives Resort. This spot is all about keeping things simple, fun, and laid back. Their AI Easy all-inclusive plan is refreshingly straightforward, covering your buffet meals and essential drinks including house brand spirits, wine, beer, and cocktails, taking the stress out of your Maldives on a budget trip. The vibe is unpretentious. It's less about glamour and more about the simple joy of being on a beautiful beach. With 78 beach bungalows and a fantastic lagoon, this is an authentic, worry-free Maldives experience that's genuinely affordable. Rounding out our most affordable tier is Villa Nautica. Formerly Paradise Island, this resort has a prime location just a 20-minute speedboat ride from the airport. Villa Nautica strikes a great balance, offering a 5-star feel on a more manageable budget, typically starting in the $200 to $300 range before taxes. Its all-inclusive packages generally include all meals at the main restaurant, a wide selection of drinks, and often afternoon tea and snacks. It has a glamorous yacht life theme and is large enough to offer plenty of activities. In our honest review, while some base rooms can feel a bit dated, the newly renovated villas are a significant upgrade, making it a solid choice for a mix of relaxation and fun. Section 2. The Mid-Range Marvels, $250 to $400. Now, you can step it up a notch. In this tier, you'll find resorts that offer more polish, more comprehensive all-inclusive plans, and unique features that provide incredible value for your couple travel. First is one of the most popular all-inclusive resorts in the Maldives, Meeru Maldives Resort Island. Meeru is a fantastic all-rounder. Because it's a larger island, it's also surprisingly family-friendly, but it cleverly dedicates areas like the Malin restaurant and Ellaidhoo bar exclusively for adults. Their all-inclusive plus package is one of the most generous you'll find, covering buffet meals, snacks, a huge selection of drinks, and a minibar that's refilled daily. What really sets it apart are the included activities. You get a sunset cruise, group snorkeling and windsurfing lessons, and even access to the golf driving range. Next are two fantastic sister resorts from the Cinnamon brand. First up, Ellaidhoo Maldives by Cinnamon. Its superstar attraction is the spectacular house reef, perfect for snorkeling and diving. Their all-inclusive plan includes 3 daily meals, snacks, and a generous list of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. The resort has a relaxed, casual vibe, and the staff are frequently praised. In an honest hotel review, it's true that some parts of the beach have seawalls to prevent erosion, but the island's incredible underwater life more than makes up for it. Then there's Huraa Maldives, offering a more serene experience. This resort is famous for being a great budget-friendly option if you're dreaming of an overwater bungalow. A virtual room tour would show you spacious villas with glass-bottom floor panels for watching sea life. The all-inclusive package is comprehensive, covering breakfast, lunch, and dinner, a selection of fresh juices, spirits, and cocktails, plus evening snacks. It has a peaceful atmosphere, making it an excellent choice if you prioritize that classic overwater experience. Section 3. The affordable luxury splurge, $300 to $600 plus. In our final categories, you'll see resorts for when you're willing to stretch the budget for a significant upgrade in your luxury travel experience. Perfect for a honeymoon or special occasion. Kicking off this tier is Siyam Iru Fushi. This 5-star luxury hotel delivers a premium experience at a surprisingly reasonable price for its class. It's a large island with a huge variety of dining options, and it's also cleverly designed with adults-only zones, ensuring you can find a quiet slice of paradise. The standard all-inclusive plan includes meals at 6 restaurants, a vast selection of drinks across 8 bars, and even a credit to use at the fine dining restaurants. Next, for the couple seeking a truly romantic atmosphere, is Adaaran Prestige Vadoo. This is an adults-only resort, which immediately sets a tranquil, couple-focused tone. Located just a 15-minute speedboat ride from the airport, transfers are often included. The resort specializes in stunning overwater villas, many with private plunge pools. Their premium all-inclusive plan is designed for pure luxury, including butler service, dining at any of the resort's restaurants, premium spirits and wines, a fully stocked minibar, and even excursions like a sunset cruise or dolphin safari on longer stays. If this guide is helping you realize your Maldives dream is closer than you thought, do us a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more budget travel tips. Your support helps in finding the best value destinations in the world. Section 4. The ultimate romantic escapes, the worth it splurge. Now for our final 2. These luxury resorts Maldives often push the upper limits of our budget, sometimes tipping into the $500 to $700 range, but they represent the pinnacle of romance. If you can make it work, they are absolutely worth it. First, an icon, Baros Maldives. This resort has been named the world's most romantic resort for years. Now, a dose of reality. Baros is not a traditional Maldives all-inclusive resort. Most guests are on half-board or bed and breakfast plans. So why is it on this list? Because for pure, understated elegance, it is in a league of its own. It's an intimate island you can walk around in 10 minutes. Everything here is geared towards couples, from romantic dinners to private champagne breakfasts. While they don't have a single all-inclusive package, you can opt for the Baros Delight package, which includes all meals at the Lime restaurant, select drinks at all open bars, and other benefits. And finally, you have Velassaru Maldives. This resort is the definition of contemporary island chic. It's known for its stunning overwater bungalows and beautiful beachfront dining. The vibe here is tranquil and sophisticated. Their Velassaru Indulgence package is one of the best all-inclusive resorts experiences, letting you dine at 5 different gourmet restaurants, from Mediterranean to Japanese teppanyaki. It also includes a wide selection of beverages and complimentary snorkeling equipment and daily use of ocean kayaks. It's an adults-oriented resort that feels both modern and deeply romantic, perfect if you appreciate fine dining and stylish design. Bonus tips for booking the best deal. Before you book, here are a few final tips to get the absolute best price. First, travel during the off-season. The Maldivian low season runs from May to November, which is the monsoon season. You might see some rain, but prices for flights and resorts can be significantly lower, and the islands are far less crowded. Second, book in advance and be flexible with your dates. Traveling midweek is often cheaper than on weekends. Third, stick to resorts closer to the main island of Malé. As we've mentioned, choosing a place with a speedboat transfer will save you hundreds on the more expensive seaplane flights. Finally, an all-inclusive package might seem more expensive upfront, but it can save you a fortune on food and drink, which are heavily taxed and imported. So there you have it, your complete Maldives travel guide. The Maldives isn't just one type of vacation. It's a spectrum, and somewhere on that spectrum is a sweet spot of affordable, all-inclusive luxury. From the incredible value at Innahura to the ultimate romantic escape at Baros, there is a version of this paradise within your reach. This list of top 10 Maldives resorts proves it. Just remember our final travel tip. Account for those taxes, like the green tax and TGST, which will be added to your final bill. The dream is real. All that's left for you to do is go.